Today, in this video, we'll be breaking down the ins and outs of Powervision's handheld gimbal, the S1. We are grateful to be provided the product for this review by Powervision, and so this is a sponsored video. However, we will try to be as objective as possible in our analysis of the product. Powervision to date is well established in the world of both industry standard and consumer grade robotics, and has a line of over 6 aerial drones and 3 specialized aquatic drones. This, however, is their first foray into the world of handheld phone gimbals for the mass market. The Powervision S1, at the time of this review, retails on the Powervision website for £204, which may seem to be a relatively high price point. However, when you start to take into account the range of cutting-edge features that this little piece of kit boasts, you get a picture of how it's positioned itself as a competitive product in the world of smartphone gimbals. Now, onto the unboxing. Here we have the box for the S1 itself, as well as the magnetic phone clamp that we'll be using to fix our phone to the gimbal. A strong point of the S1 is that it exists as part of a wider ecosystem of accessories that support it. These include further additional methods of attaching your phone to the gimbal, such as a magnetic phone case for both Apple and Samsung phones, and a stick-on universal magnet for attaching to the back of any phone case regardless of brand. As well as this, there is also a Powervision tripod that can be purchased separately, which is designed to screw into the gimbal's 1/4-inch screw mount at the base of the handle. Between the main S1 box and the magnetic phone clamp box, you'll find the following items: the car mount, the Type-C USB cable, the magnetic phone clamp, a spacer pad for the phone clamp, 2 magnetic discs, and the S1 itself. The Type-C cable is used for charging the S1, as well as delivering charge from the S1 to your phone if your phone isn't capable of wireless charging. The S1 we received comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable. This is fine for charging from devices that have a USB-C output, but it would have been handy to have a regular USB to USB-C cable packaged in also, as it would allow for charging from regular charging blocks or devices with regular USB outputs. Thankfully, standard USB to USB-C cables are commonplace, and so this isn't a huge sticking point, but it is something that would have been nice to see packaged into the product. The magnetic car mount has an adjustable ball head that allows for the fine-tuning of your camera angle and doubles as a more traditional clip-on vent mount by unscrewing the magnetic portion of the mount. The 2 magnets provided for use with this car mount have one sticky side that allows them to be fixed onto your car's dash. Packaged in a separate box is the magnetic phone clamp. This phone clamp will work with any phone regardless of brand, and it comes with a spacer pad if your phone's too thin to be gripped by the clamp. We'll be using this as the primary means of attaching the phone to our gimbal for the duration of this review. The S1 with no phone attached weighs in at just shy of a mere 300 grams, the equivalent to the weight of 2 average-sized oranges, and is claimed to be the world's smallest mobile gimbal when folded, with it measuring in at 14.15 by 5.84 centimeters folded and 25.85 by 5.84 centimeters unfolded. When folded, it's a neat little bit of kit that can fit into a large coat pocket, handbag, or small camera bag. When unfolded, it has a nice balanced feel and is made from fairly sturdy materials. The one area of its design where there is perhaps room for improvement in terms of its ease of use is in the grip's ergonomics. Rather than having a grip molded to the shape of your palm, like some other competitors, the S1 instead has a squared off profile. This more boxy approach to its design is probably a trade-off that was made by the designers in order to achieve that lovely compact folded down profile that the S1 boasts. Hopefully, future iterations of the S1 will find a way to combine that compact form factor when folded with a more molded, comfortable grip. Folding out the gimbal for use is a quick and simple 4-step process, starting with unlatching the door at the bottom of the unit, then unfolding the gimbal's arm from the body of the handle, twisting the top 90 degrees, and finally folding out the magnetic connector. The S1's compact form factor is a great advantage to it over its competitors, as it enables it to be carried easily on your person, ready to be brought to action at the shortest of notice. If portability is something you're particularly looking for in your mobile gimbal, then the S1 is for you. The S1 has a lithium-ion battery that affords it an admirable max power life of 15 hours and a brisk charge time of 2 hours. This battery can also be used to double as a power source for your mobile phone, featuring integrated wireless charging capabilities located in the handle itself, as well as a traditional wired USB-C output that makes the S1 not just a great little gimbal, but also a handy portable power bank that will guarantee that you'll always have some charge on hand to keep your phone powered on. The gimbal is straightforward to operate. After attaching your phone, power on the gimbal by pushing in the power button and holding it for a moment. Tapping this button will alert you of its remaining charge, and then once powered on, you're ready to go. There's a manual joystick for panning or tilting the phone, as well as a vertical mode that can be activated by pressing the power button 2 times. This is perfect for making content for Instagram Reels or TikTok. Its free axis of articulation allows for it to compensate for camera shake on the roll, pitch, and yaw axis. As you can see when testing, we found that the gimbal was capable of achieving smooth footage that brings a great production value to your content, be it for home videos, vlogs, or live streams. To demonstrate just how significant the change is between shooting with just the phone handheld and then with the gimbal, here is some side-by-side footage. If you need to lock down the gimbal while filming, there are two options. One is to use the built-in fold-out tripod that releases from the bottom of the unit in an easy two-step process of first extending out the two thin front legs and then folding out the thicker third leg. This is a handy backup so that you'll never be without a means of locking down the gimbal. However, I wouldn't rely on it as your primary means of locking down the gimbal, as the built-in tripod really requires a level surface to function effectively without the gimbal tipping over from being too top-heavy. The second option is to use the 1/4" screw mount, as touched on prior in the video, to attach an external tripod or other bits of kit to the base of the unit. The S1 is packed full of features that can be accessed through the companion app, Vision plus S1. In the app, there are loads of options to take stills, panoramas, time-lapses, and motion time-lapses. The motion time-lapses are particularly impressive and allow for some super high production value shots. One of the gimbal's strongest features, in our opinion, is its AI tracking, in the form of its PowerFollow setting. When enabled, you can set the gimbal to track faces in the scene, or a specific object in the scene, and this can allow for a great capacity for creative shots and vlog-style content, without having to have someone operating the camera. This feature can also be used across other apps, not just the dedicated S1 app, such as your native camera app, and so is super versatile and flexible. A feature that plays well into the tracking is the hand gestures that allow you to control the app from a distance. To take one of these hand gestures as an example, you can gesture an L shape to start and stop recordings. From our testing, we found that as long as you gesture clearly, the app will register your gestures and action them 10 times out of 10. Navigating the app is straightforward and self-explanatory, being intuitively laid out. And with helpful tutorials on both using the app and the gimbal packaged in, it truly is a foolproof experience. In summary, the Powervision S1 is a neat bit of kit that packs a whole host of features, modes, and production value into a tight package. Compared to other competitors in the handheld gimbal market, it gets its edge through its compact form factor, as well as its companion app that's packed full of dynamic features and helpful tutorials for those new to smartphone videography. All in all, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to purchase a compact handheld gimbal for their smartphone.